I know how stressful it can be to get an artist code on Figen. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you from how to get an artist code on Figen to actually post your service on Figen. So if you are interested, stay tuned till the end. What is Figen anyway? So Figen is a platform that meets artists who offer commission with the clients. But before that, you actually need an artist code to offer a service on the platform. There are 6 ways you can do, but me personally, I recommend for you to get it through Instagram. Every week, they open Figen code applications on their Instagram post. All you have to do is copy and paste your Figen link in the comment section. That is it. Easy peasy. But keep in mind that your Instagram needs to show your portfolio. You need to regularly upload your art or commission so they know you are a legit artist. When the result comes out and you get picked, you will get an email like this. You don't need to do anything. Your account will automatically become an artist account. Now, you already have an artist account on Figen, so we can now open our artist dashboard. It's time to post our services. But before that, we need to look at this task. It's called Grand Opening Quest. You have to do all of this in order for other people to see your services. We're gonna do all of this together, so stick with me till the end. First, you need to personalize your account. You need to update the profile picture, update banner, write your bio, and add minimal 2 social links. It can be your website, Instagram, X, or anything you have. I already did mine, so we're gonna continue to the next task, which is get ready for commission. We need to have minimal 2 services, 5 portfolio, link to portfolios to available services, and connect your PayPal to Figen. Now, we're gonna create our first service. Go to the Service tab and click Add Service. You can change the status of your service here. And here, you can decide how many commissions are you accepting. You can also decide what status it would be after you hit that number of commission. When you are done, click Save. You can mark your service as a sensitive content right here. Next, let's choose the search category of the service. You can make it visible or not visible in the marketplace. Remember the grand opening quest that I mentioned earlier? We need to do all of those tasks in order to be visible in the marketplace. If you choose discoverable, then you need to choose your category of service that you are offering. There are plenty of choices. For me, I'm a digital artist that specializes in drawing character and illustration in manhwa or manga style. So, I chose illustration, character illustration, human and human-like, static, because it's not moving, manhwa, then painted or rendered. When you are done, hit that save button. There are 2 types of services, custom and your character here or template commission. There are also 2 types of communications. I choose this one. There are 2 types of order. For custom proposals, there will be choices for additional prices, such as to add background or not, etc. For instant order, the price is fixed. You cannot change the price anymore. So I choose a custom proposal for this one. Next, you write the title of your commission, your base price, timeline, and here is where you place your best art to attract your potential customer. Make sure your file is not larger than 8 megapixels. In the description, you can add all the information you have for the potential customer. Make sure it's clear as possible. Everybody has their own rule, but this is mine. I already wrote it, so I just copy and paste it here. If you want to know the details, you can come by to my Figen account. The link is in the description box and pinned in the comment section. Don't forget to add tags of the service. For workflow, I just gonna use what you already have, but you can personalize it as you like. In the request form, you can ask some question to the client. For example, is it gonna be a personal use commission or commercial use commission? Would you like to add background or not? How many characters it will be in this piece of commission? So on and so forth. You can add as many questions as possible. You can also add pictures to the question so it's more user-friendly to the customer. Just click this button and upload your image. you can add an additional price here. You can have more than one request form. If you have a different type of commission, you can make a new one. Here you can add your terms of service. You can also have more than one terms of service, so if you need a new one, you can make another one. When you are done, click Save Policy and Publish. That is it. This is the result. Now, let's upload our portfolio. You can find it in your dashboard right here. Please read all this information. When you are ready, click this new button. Upload your image, write the title, write down the description of the art piece, and don't forget to add related tags. You can also link this post to a related available service. And if your image is a sensitive content, don't forget to mark it as a sensitive content. And now we are done. I did some editing off camera and this is my final result. I have a headshot commission, half, knee up, and full body commission, here character, here commission. This one is going to change depending on the season, if you know what I mean. Full piece commission, half, and full body chibi commissions. I have 4 different request forms and I have 2 active policies. If you want to see the details, you can go to my vegan page. The link is in the description box below and pinned in the comment section. If you are interested to buy my services, I would be more than happy to accept. Last but not least, this is probably a question you might ask. Should I separate my services? For example, make one specific service such as half body commission instead of putting bust up, half body, and full body commission into one service. The answer is yes, because your base price is going to be your anchor price. What I mean by that is the client expects to pay not far from that base price. That is why it would be better for you to completely separate all your commission services. But if you are not a favorite artist yet, just like me, you can only have 5 services max. It's very limited, I know. So, I suggested you have a commission sheet in one of the pictures that you upload in the service page. If you want to have unlimited service, you need to complete all these tasks first. So that's basically it. I hope I covered everything and I hope this video is gonna be helpful for struggling artists out there. If you have anything to ask, just write it down in the comment section below. I'm pretty new to the platform too actually, but if I know the answer, I will be more than happy to help. If you find this video helpful, you can click that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have a video tutorial on how to make a webtoon from planning to publishing. It's right here if you're interested. One of my most viewed videos. Once again, thank you for watching and I will see you again on my next video. Bye bye!